My name is Tim Durham, and I'm the Urban Edge farmer. I'm a fifth-generation farmer, educator, and advocate. My family operates Deer Run Farm, a 30-acre truck farm on Long Island, New York, about 50 miles outside of New York City, where we grow leafy greens, root crops, and herbs. Although we're a conventional operation, we consider ourselves bio-intensive. This means that we use the least ecologically disruptive measures possible to manage pests and weeds. This also includes the use of naturally derived biorational pesticides and organic amendments. In addition, we also practice what's called fractional monoculture, small-scale intensive cropping using rotations and cover crops. As a result, our farm was hailed as a national model for stewardship by the New York State Agricultural Environmental Management Program. I have a plant doctorate degree, kind of like a plant MD, from the University of Florida, and I teach college agriculture and biology in the off-season. So here's a bird's eye view of the farm. In the foreground, you'll see some yellow buckets spaced out fairly regularly in the field. This is one of our non-chemical strategies to manage fly pests. We fill these buckets with water and add a drop of dish detergent. Flies are attracted to the yellow color, fly in, and sink to the bottom like lead. By using this strategy, we can prevent them from laying eggs that would otherwise hatch into maggots and injure our cabbage crop. In the background, you'll see the Great South Bay, which empties out into the Atlantic Ocean. Since we're so close to wetlands and a major body of water, we're very mindful of what and how we apply inputs. Inputs are essential to maximize yields and plant health. We've switched entirely to slow-release fertilizers, kind of like a metered feed for the crop, and use the safest pesticides on the market. You'll see our crew harvesting lettuce in the middle. These gentlemen are H-2A guest workers from Mexico who come back every year. We're fortunate to have such a regular and predictable stream of labor. You'll notice that everything is hand harvested and boxed in field. Then it's brought to our market house to be palletized, iced, and shipped off. As the drone pivots around, you'll see our barn, farmhouse, and semis on the left. On the right, you'll see cattails adjacent to protected wetlands. On the right, you'll see some mounds of horse manure, which local equine operations are eager to unload. We mix that with municipal leaves and grass clippings to feed the microbes responsible for composting. We also turn and aerate as time permits. When it's sufficiently composted, we spread it on the field before every planting. We're basically growing on beach sand, so we take every step we can to enrich the soil and boost its nutrient and water retention capabilities. The rest of the footage shows some of our neighbors, who are very accommodating and understand what's involved in seasonal vegetable farming. Though we're in a fairly rural area for Long Island, it's definitely more suburban than the footage suggests.